Brock Solutions, a global industrial automation, engineering software, and professional services company, built a simulation and ignition as a method to thoroughly test an application before implementation at Region of Peel's water-wastewater plants, which make up the fourth largest water and wastewater system in Canada. This gave Region of Peel more flexibility during the application's factory acceptance test, or FAT. In comparison to previous projects where operators and process engineers were crowded into a control room, Region of Peel's staff was able to review the new screens in a comfortable office. Because the simulation mimics the whole process in an offline environment, Region of Peel's operation team had the space to test new ideas and provide more constructive feedback. Through the simulation, operators can test one line at a time, looking at the input and output for each point. For example, operators can put a device into manual mode and give it commands to manually test how the device and the I/O points will react to changes in a real production environment. Brock can then run a sequence to verify that the system's logic will function as intended. Here, the flow meter is responding to the running speed of the pump. Beyond testing, the simulation also made for an effective training tool. The production counterparts to the high-performance simulation screens were new to all Region of Peel staff, with a vastly different look and feel compared to the legacy HMI operators were used to. The simulation allowed trainers to quickly demonstrate common occurrences, like stopping a pump or acknowledging an alarm directly on the screen without having to run the real device. Over the past few years, Brock has focused on creating libraries for simulations within Ignition. Building the simulation directly in the Ignition application delivers a more understandable visual for operators. It also allows for Region of Peel to return to the simulation environment after the initial implementation and experiment, showcasing new initiatives not only to operations staff, but to engineers as well. Learn more at brocksolutions.com.